Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We are definitely able to make some big profits in a downtrend, knowing what bearish signals and bearish patterns are going to produce the strongest price moves to the downside. So we're seeing that based upon the market in general. We can see when it's time to buy. We can see when it's time to sell. And then we can see when the continuation of a downtrend continues. Remember, a bearish kicker signal is one of your strongest signals. It's telling you there's a lot of investor sentiment, bearish investor sentiment. And what's our prospect? Wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3 of a bearish J-hook pattern. This allows us, with the confirmation again over in the NASDAQ, with that bearish kicker signal, implies that not only is the Dow heading down, the NASDAQ heading down, and the rest of the indexes heading down, everybody's coming out of the markets. That's usually going to produce a much stronger downtrend move. Again, wave 1, wave 2, with the prospects of wave 3. So that bearish J-hook pattern, skipped one. There's the dumpling top. This is where you use candlestick logic, that if you see a downtrend starting, you're trying to find the strongest patterns, like the dumpling top being instigated by a very strong sell signal, your bearish left-right combo, which is a doji followed by a bearish engulfing signal, definitely confirming that you're below the T-line. Do all our trades move like this? Definitely not. But we put ourselves in situations where the probabilities are extremely strong that we're going to be in a move like this. So the combination of a pattern and a signal is giving you high probabilities of moving in this direction. Apple. Now, this is not quite a bearish kicker signal. Technically, it's actually opened above that level. It should have been opening below. However, we can still see that it's a bearish J-hook pattern, likely to produce good profits to the downside. Now, when you do see that bearish J-hook pattern, our recommendation on light was based upon the doji gap down best friend. And notice today it didn't hold this level, giving you a strong indication wave 3 is in progress. So anytime we can see a signal, our recommendation to short Wayfair was based upon the actual candlestick signal and the bearish J-hook pattern. You can still be shorting this one with the expectation of wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. But that strong sell signal is a strong confirmation that the bears are in control, and we can recognize what the next pattern is likely to be. Now, right now, obviously, with the markets heading down, you want to be predominantly short. But the benefit of candlestick analysis is just very simple scanning techniques allow you to identify which sectors may still be acting bullish in a down market. QuantumScape, one of the lithium battery companies, you can see the little bullish J-hook pattern after your bullish engulfing signal. The implication is it could still head higher even though the market is trading off. Fry, another one, a lithium battery company. You can see how the uptrend remains in progress. Now, I say you can see how the uptrend remains in progress. Look what these stocks are doing even when the whole market is heading lower. The electric vehicle charging stations, like in ChargePoint, still heading higher. Blink, also another company that's trading higher. So this is where you don't need to have relative strength indicators on your charts. The buy signals and the direction are pretty much telling you which sectors have the most relative strength, especially when the market is heading lower. So right now, bearish kicker signals showing a lot of force to the downside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. The probabilities tell us we want to still be shorting on any weakness because there's, as of yet, no signs of any bullish sentiment. So this is not difficult stuff to learn. You don't have to be a technical analyst all you have to do is recognize the signals and patterns, because that's what is the strongest price movement force for hundreds of years. Human nature. All we're doing is identifying what the Japanese rice traders illustrated was patterns created by human nature. So join us. 2-week free trial, nothing to lose, and you'll be amazed at the information that you see on the candlestick charts every day.
Call from Steve Bigelow.
So with that, after that phone call, with the free trial, you're going to see the logic or the high probability aspects of candlestick analysis, which allows us to do what we call the ultimate candlestick training on September 24th. This is not only where you recognize what the market trend is doing and the strongest signals and patterns in that trend, but then all the other things that most people have problems with as far as their own emotions. When to enter a trade without being afraid. Where to set your stop losses so you're not worried about getting in because you don't know where to get out. Or where to take profits. There's two facets of candlestick analysis. One, identifying what human nature has told us do or work consistently through the years, centuries as a matter of fact, and also learning to control your own emotions. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.